Hi, my name is Natalie Felton. I am the marketing manager at CHT USA, and we're part of the CHT Group, a global chemical manufacturer, and we specialize in sustainable silicone solutions for the electronic, lighting, and the transportation industry. We believe making a positive environmental impact starts individually with ourselves and as a company. So at CHT, we are proud to be in the top 5% for the EcoVadis rating. As far as our R&D department, we have set strict guidelines for developing new sustainable products. Basically, our goal is that all 80% of all products sold need to meet strict sustainability criteria such as toxicity classification and other classifications related to the safety data sheets. We're even reformulating legacy products to meet these new sustainability criteria. At CHT, we focus on three P's: people, planet, performance. We have set strict goals and strict targets for 2025, such as a 10% reduction in waste, energy, and water consumption. And CHT's long term goal is to be carbon neutral by 2045.